Welcome to Qualitas Technology Solution videos. In this video, we are going to inspect the presence or absence of screws in the sockets, in addition to which they undergo voltage testing. There are two setups as shown. In setup 1, the sockets are being manually placed onto the conveyor line for inspection. The easy-to-fix Qualitas Eagle Eye camera is set up at the top view to capture the complete image of the sockets. A sensor placed on the side triggers the camera to capture an image whenever each socket is subjected to it. Once the images are acquired, they are processed to check the presence and absence of screws in the sockets using the help of trained AI algorithms enabling automated visual inspection. In setup 2, the sockets are loaded into the rotary chamber for voltage testing. After loading, the sockets will undergo voltage resistance testing by passing a steady state leakage current. The real-time readings are displayed as shown. The sockets are then unloaded to another conveyor where the rejection happens. The sockets are either accepted or rejected based on the results communicated after visual inspection and voltage testing. Upon acceptance, the sockets are then packed and transported. For more such solution videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.